In my previous video, I have talked about how to do the speaking test. As you all know that the speaking test is divided into the two parts, part A and B. Part A includes your general introduction followed by your follow-up questions. And part B is the cue card, where a particular cue card will be given to you with a particular topic, and you have to describe that main topic, and under that many questions will be asked. Always remember, my dear students, when you are doing your cue card, they will give you a blank paper with pencil or pen to jot down the points. Always make use of that paper, jot down the key points, and when your time is up of thinking about that question for 1 minute, then they will take it. Always remember, when you are approaching cue card, first and the foremost thing is always speak about the topic. Don't digress. For example, which is your favorite place to visit? Why you want to visit that place? With whom you visit that place? When you visited that place? What are the memories you have of that place? So there is 5 whys: when, where, what, with whom, and what are the memories. 5 whys are there. So how to answer this question? Firstly, you will write on the blank page the main points of this your favorite tourist spot or the place you visit. When you visited that place, with whom you visited that place, why you want to visit that place only, what are the happy memories you have of that place. So firstly, we will write on the blank. Suppose this is a blank paper. On the blank paper, you write down the points. Always make sure you have to first tell the place. Which is that particular place you want to visit? Why you want to visit that place also only? With whom you are visiting that place? When you visited that place? And what are the main features of that place? So we should answer that my favorite place is none other than the Queen of Hills, Mussoorie. Mussoorie is approximately 4.5 hour journey from my city, Yamunanagar. I made a point to visit Mussoorie, the Queen of Hills, and the Kempty Falls with my family members. Why I choose Mussoorie? Because Mussoorie is located in the sylvan surroundings of the Himalayas, the lower Himalayas in the state of Uttarakhand. It is surrounded with great hills, and its beauty, its captivating atmosphere. It is situated on a higher altitude. Then it has cascading waterfalls, followed by beautiful vagrant greenery all around. Then you can feel the buzz in the air, the higher altitude, the pure clean air, the tranquility, the peace, the bliss in the lap of nature. It's a great experience, and I feel that all these memories are deeply entrenched in my mindset, because I thoroughly enjoyed visiting there, especially on the Mall Road, strolling on the Mall Road, enjoying the local Uttarakhand cuisine, visiting the places on the Mall Road, the famous bookstore where I can visit and read number of books, and then traveling to the Kempty Fall, where Kempty Fall is very popular among the tourist destinations, and it is a place where you can feel the ancient history of India is also restored. The vegetation is also maintained. The so-called the deforestation or the deterioration in the environment has not taken place at such drastic levels like at other hill stations. And I thoroughly enjoyed going with my family. I prefer it more than any other hill station. The greatest memory which I have in my mind of Uttarakhand is that it gives me eternal peace and love. So this is how we have to speak. We have to include Each and every information we have to frame it, and our main theme should hover around Uttarakhand. When we went, how we went, with whom we went, why we choose it. We have to cover all these points. Use of good and depth vocabulary, proper diction, synchronization of words, complete subject verb agreement. In this particular way, we have to do our cue card. Always remember, when we are approaching our cue card, we do not have to look here and there. We should speak continuously with pauses. We should not speak in a haphazard manner. We should not fumble or crumble or stammer. We should not try to include any explicit information which is not well known, entrenched with that particular question. And we have to stick with the question. So this is the way in which we have to approach our speaking of the cue cards. Regarding, there is these days many questions are coming on your favorite word or what you feel about the words. Have you seen any words like that? So we have to speak regarding the birds, that the birds, these are the follow-up questions in the starting. So the birds are integral, indispensable part of our ecosystem. I can categorize birds into two main categories. One category is the main raptors. Raptors means hunting birds, like the kites, like the eagles, and the kites, like the eagles, and the bald eagle, which is the national symbol, national bird of USA. So all these birds are of they are hardcore carnivorous, and they have the ability to hunt even the small animals like rabbits, cats, etc. Secondly, the birds are the normal birds, small in size, like we can say the birds like crow is there, parrot is there, pigeon is there, and other kinds of birds are also there. And I think my favorite bird is none other than the peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. It is the symbol of our rich heritage, cultural and religious heritage. Peacock look majestic. Its beak is beautiful. When it spreads its wings, it looks absolutely majestic, mesmerizing, glowing, illuminating. When it dances during the rainy season, it is one of the most enthralling and entrenching scene you can witness. It captivates your minds. It causes a spell. You are completely intoxicated by this peacock. And peacock has also the essence that it brings the purity. When the peacock mates during the rainy season, they cry. So their offsprings are also, and when it spreads its whole wings or feathers, it looks like that some illumination or the darkness has completely been shredded, and you are witnessing such a cosmic rejuvenation. So in this aspect, using such kind of refined words, we can easily state regarding these words. So this is my video especially for the upcoming speaking text exam. For the more information, guidance, and #1 coaching IELTS in the northern state of Haryana, Punjab, Himachal and Uttarakhand, you can approach me. My number is 97297 which will be given in the box, which information will be shared with you. If you feel that my videos are good, please comment on it and tell me how I can make further advancement or boost my credentials. And please like the bell button, click on it, and stay up tuned for all my updates. I am Mayank Sharma. Thank you very much.